On a busy job site, what you wear can be just as important as the tools you carry. That's exactly where DEWALT Wearables comes in. From job site earbuds and work boots to gloves and safety glasses, this tool giant has just changed the job site safety scene. So let's see what we've got today. Let's start with something every pro carries every day: audio. The DEWALT Jobsite Pro X1 True Wireless Earbuds are built for workers who want clear sound without wires getting in the way. These lightweight earbuds come with a rugged charging case that lets you recharge them multiple times for up to 30 hours of total playback. What makes them really smart is the in-ear smart sensor that automatically pauses your music when you take them out and resumes when you put them back in. With an IPX6 sweat and water resistance rating, extra ear cushions for a better fit, and a Type-C charging cable included, these earbuds are truly made for the job site. And if you prefer something more straightforward, dependable, and wired, DEWALT offers a solid option there as well. The DEWALT wired job site earphones are designed for pros who don't want to worry about charging, but still want quality sound throughout the day. Sealed to resist sweat and moisture with an IPX6 rating, these earphones are built to survive rough environments without affecting your listening experience. They connect easily through a 3.5mm plug, making them compatible with most devices, and the interchangeable ear cushions help you find a comfortable and secure fit. On top of that, the built-in control module allows you to manage volume and playback directly from the cable, so you don't have to stop working to reach for your phone. Moving from what you hear to what you wear on your feet, the DEWALT Weatherby Mock Toe Work Boot is designed for long hours on hard, uneven surfaces. Made in the USA with premium full-grain leather, this boot combines traditional mock toe styling with modern performance features that construction pros truly appreciate. The Pro Comfort insole delivers excellent cushioning and arch support, reducing foot fatigue during long shifts. Meanwhile, the PU midsole and outsole provide durability, slip resistance, and stability whether you're walking on concrete floors, gravel paths, or rough terrain. Its soft toe design gives it a clean, classic look while still offering the rugged protection needed for demanding job site work. When the temperature drops and conditions become harsh, your hands need serious protection to stay productive. That's where the DEWALT DPG 758 Impact Cold Weather Glove comes in. Built with TPR overlays across the knuckles and fingers, this glove offers reliable impact protection while you handle tools and materials. The 100G Thinsulate Thermal Liner keeps your hands warm in cold environments without making the gloves feel bulky. Padded palms, PVC fingers, and a reinforced thumb saddle improve grip, comfort, and durability during heavy use. And thanks to the touchscreen-capable fingertips, you can operate your phone or device without removing the gloves, keeping your hands warm and your workflow uninterrupted. Of course, protecting your head is just as important as protecting your hands and feet on a job site. The DEWALT DPG-22V Type 2 Class C vented safety helmet is engineered to provide both top and side impact protection while maintaining comfort for long wear. Its durable polycarbonate ABS shell works together with the EPS foam liner to offer one of the highest levels of impact protection available. The smooth glide ratchet suspension system and 4-point retention straps allow you to adjust the fit easily for maximum security. The leather chin strap adds extra comfort, and the built-in accessory slots let you attach hearing protection or visors depending on the task at hand, making this helmet highly versatile. Right after head protection, your eyes need equal attention throughout the day. The DEWALT DPG 110 Chisel Protective Eyewear is designed to be lightweight, comfortable, and secure enough for all-day use. Its half-frame design and wraparound one-piece lens provide a clear 180-degree field of vision without obstruction. These glasses meet Z87.1 Plus impact protection ratings and offer 99.9% UV protection, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor work. The vented rubber nose piece, soft brow pad, and rubber over-molded temples create a no-slip grip, ensuring the eyewear stays in place even during active movement. Finally, what you wear all day plays a big role in how comfortably you can work. The DEWALT Barstow Men's Pro Stretch Work Pant combines a modern slim fit with practical job site functionality. The DWR coating adds water resistance to keep you dry when the weather changes unexpectedly. Made with elastomane for added stretch, these pants allow easy movement whether you're bending, climbing, or kneeling. Multiple utility pockets and holster pockets help you keep essential tools within reach, while the top-loading pockets for knee pad inserts add extra comfort for tasks that require frequent kneeling. So, that wraps it up about all the DEWALT wearables that are made for construction pros. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found it useful, give the video a like and subscribe for more content.